Good afternoon, students. Today we'll be discussing today in GK for class 8th. Our topic is igniting souls. So we'll be discussing 6 important personalities of the world, which have which are very popular, very famous, which have worked very hard for their country as well as for the world. So among these, first is Abraham Lincoln, Stephen King, Soichiro Honda, Ben Saunders, Steven Spielberg, Amy Tan. So one by one we'll be discussing about these. His 2 business ventures failed. He lost 8 different elections, had a complete nervous breakdown before becoming president of the US in 1860. As the figure is known, his name is Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was an American statesman and lawyer who served as the 16th president of the United States. Lincoln led the nation through its greatest moral, constitutional, and political crisis in the American Civil War. He was born on 12 February 1809 at Hodgenville, Kentucky, United States of America. Height was 1.93 meter, almost 7 feet. Assassinated on 15th April 1865, Peterson House, Washington, D.C., United States. He was associated with the American Party, Republican Party. His presidential term was from 4th March 1861 to 14th April 1865. Next, a famous writer. His first novel was rejected everywhere. In dismay, he threw it in the garbage. His wife inspired him again. He picked up the story and went to another publication. His Stephen King. Edwin King is an American author of horror, supernatural fiction, suspense, crime, science fiction, and fantasy novels. His books have sold more than 350 million copies, and many have been adapted into films, television series, miniseries, and comic books. He was born on 21st September 1947, age 72 years, Maine Medical Center, Portland, Maine, United States of America. Movies: It Chapter 2, The Shining, The Shawshank Redemption, The Mist, Stand By Me, and more other movies. TV shows: he worked in TV shows The Stand, Castle Rock, Storm of the Century, Rose Red, Under the Dome, Heaven, and others. Short stories: Fall from Innocence, The Body, 1922, The Mist, and others. He ran from pillar to post in search of a job. He went to Toyota company. He was rejected and told that he was not fit for the job. He did not give up. He created his own automobile company that competes with Toyota. He is Soichiro Honda. Soichiro Honda was a Japanese engineer and industrialist. In 1948, he established Honda Motor Co. Limited and oversaw its expansion from a wooden shack manufacturing bicycle motors to a multinational automobile and motorcycle manufacturer. He was born on 17 November 1906, Hamamatsu, Shizuoka, Japan. He died on 5th August 1991, Tokyo, Japan. Spouse: Sachi Honda, 1935 to 1991. Education: Shizuoka University. Books: Honda per Honda, Senhor Honda. Children: Hirotoshi Honda. Next, she was a manager and account management she did for years, but she wanted to be creative and write. She was fired from her job. She sometimes worked 90 hours a week later became America's best-selling author. The Joy Luck Club, The Kitchen God's Wife, The 100 Secret Senses are a few of her books. She is Amy Tan. Amy Tan is an American writer whose works explore mother daughter relationships and the Chinese American experience. Her novel, The Joy Lucky Club, was adapted into a film in 1993 by director Vanny Wang. She was born on 19th February 1952, age 68 years, Oakland, California, United States. Spouse Lo DiMattei, 1974. Movies and TV shows: The Joy Luck Club, Sagwa, The Chinese Siamese Cat. Education: Linfield College, Peterson High School, University of California, Santa Cruz, and others. Next, he was no scholar, rather took a drop when his parents persuaded him to return to school. He was admitted to learn disabled class, later graduated and followed his dream of filmmaking. Later in life made Jaws, which took in $470 million. His name is Steven Spielberg. Alan Spielberg, is an American film director, producer, and screenwriter. He is considered one of the founding pioneers of the new Hollywood era and one of the most popular directors and producers in film industry. Spielberg started in Hollywood directing television and several minor theatrical releases. He was born on 18th December 1946, age 73 years, Cincinnati, Ohio, United States. Net worth 360 crores USD in 2020. Upcoming movie West Side Story. Children Michael George Spielberg, Sasha. The last one, at a school going child, he was podgy, shy, the last kid in his class to be picked up for any sport and was the butt of jokes and ridicule. He later became a proficient skier and the youngest person to ski solo to North Pole. His Ben Saunders. His name is Ben Saunders. Thank you and have a good day.